minutes.
We're looking forward to seeing the likes of...
Up in front of goal. Bebe does play for Vallecano, sadly. He had good reception. And you wouldn't back against that man to score. And he gets us underway. From Bangkok to Melbourne.
A little bit earlier, but B certainly without that bad injury that he had, because he was a prolific goal scorer.
Manchester United looking a real threat here with Garnacho. There's Cristiano Ronaldo looking to Perth, to Oslo, and finally back home. And
it's just one straight ball over the top. Ethan Laird just...
Vallecano look right on the front foot. Manchester United though now. And debate back to Tom Heaton. It's a little bit short, and Ronaldo tackled quickly by Cease in midfield. In goes Chong, which is great to see. Just a week before the real business starts as Heaton comes out. And Garner as well, looking for the run of Van der Vaart budget. Laird almost made contact.
Recognisable in Erik ten Hag's thinking that makes them think that they will be involved. Or did he fence
his namesake, another Garcia, Alvaro Garcia, with the cross. His ball's cut out for Varane, and now Alcao.
Going to come in short. That is not his game anymore. So the way that they build up is going to be... He's good
at times in the Youth Cup, didn't he, from the left-hand side. Now here's Chong. This is Laird. Acrobatic clearance from Coutinho there. Garcia on the overlap. Fran Garcia lays it over towards Garnacho, who cut in here, right-footed. That's fired out towards Garcia. Van der Beek. This is Cristiano Ronaldo. Well, the script was written there, wasn't it? But Cristiano got underneath it.
I don't know what happened in the centre of the park.
9 and scored 12. De Trejo, the captain. Lopez.
But a Brighton team
that have his Chong. Great skill as well. And now Cristiano Ronaldo brings it down wonderfully. Garnacho, Chong with an opportunity, tried to pass it into the far corner, but in a way he was just too precise there. And it was easy for the goalkeeper, Dimitrievski.
Well,
it's a lively game, you have to say. Alvaro Garcia. Ronaldo is onto it. Ronaldo with the cross. Chong at the far post. Chong nods it back across, and Cece's there to clear. But Warner didn't want...
You're going to come on as a centre forward, and that's exactly where you need to be. Making sure that any shots that come in, that you are the one that's following it up. And he was. And not only that, there was a defender in real close proximity, but he just managed, so he wanted it more. Simple as that, Ahmad. And he smashes it into the... And I think that's probably another one of his issues, Stuart. Not just the fact that, you know, where's he going to go or what's he going to...
In this game,